Good morning children. Today let us do practice zone 4 in textbook page number 38. So let me write down the first question. The first question, complete the following table by decomposing the given numbers in international system. So complete the following table by decomposing the given numbers in international system. So you have here one table is given and you have to complete the table by decomposing the given numbers. Decompose means to break down. Decompose means to break down large numbers by their place value. Decompose means breaking down the large numbers by their place value. Now you have to break down the large numbers to their place values. Okay, let me do the first sum. To break down the large numbers by their place value. Decompose means to break down the large numbers by their place value. Here the number is given and you have to break it down according to its place value. Okay, the first place millions, hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. These are the place values of international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Now here a number is given. The number is now you have to break it down according to the place values. Now you have to break it down according to the place values. Now let us write down the places here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So I have to write 2 in millions place, 7 in 100,000s place, 3 in 10,000s place, 1 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, and 2 in ones place. Okay children, here what I have done? I have decomposed this number according to its places in international system. For this what I have done? First I have written the places, then I have written the numbers in the corresponding places and I have written the digits according to the corresponding places. Okay, now let us do the resum. So first let us write down the places for this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So this number is starting from 10,000s place. So I should start decomposing from 10,000s place. So I am writing 7 in 10,000s place, 4 in thousands place, 3 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. Did you understand children? Here first I have written the places, then I have decomposed the number according to its places. Okay. Now let us do the sum. Okay. First let us write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next 100,000s. So here we have to decompose the number in which system? International system. So I have written the places according to the international system and then I am decomposing the number. So now 9 is in 100,000s place. So I have to write 9 in 100,000s place. 6 is in 10,000s place. So I have written it in 10,000s place. 3 is in thousands place. 7 is in hundreds place. 0 is in tens place. And 9 is in ones place. So I have decomposed the number according to its places. So decompose means to break down the large numbers according to their places. Next, the sum. Okay, first let us write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now let us decompose this number. 2 is in 100,000s place. So I have to write 2 in 100,000s place. 1 is in 10,000s place. 3 is in thousands place. 9 is in hundreds place. 1 is in tens place. And 7 is in ones place. Did you understand, children? Decompose means to break down the large numbers according to their places. Here we decompose the numbers according to their places. Okay. Now let us do the second sum. Okay. Now let us do the second sum. Now let us do the second sum. Compose the following numbers according to the Indian place value system. Indian place value system. Now what you have to do is you have to compose the given numbers according to the Indian place value system. Compose means putting the large number together by its place value. Compose means putting the large number together by its place value. Okay, you have to put together the large number according to its place value. Decompose means breaking down the number, whereas compose means putting down the large number together by its place value. Compose means putting down the large number together according to its place value. Okay, children? Whereas decompose means breaking down the large number according to its places, whereas compose means putting down the large number together by its place. Okay, now let us try to compose the given numbers. Further, let us write down the places. 10 lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, number. Here we have to compose the numbers according to the Indian system. We have to compose the numbers according to the Indian system. So I have written the place values of Indian system. Okay, children? Compose means putting down the large number together by its places. Compose means putting together large number by its places. Okay, first one. 3, 2, 6, 4, 2, 5, 0. Now we have to compose this number. We have to compose this number according to the places. Compose means we have to put together this number by its places. Okay. We have to do this in Indian system. For it, let us write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Wait, children. ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So now let us try to compose this number. Okay, 3 is in 10 lakhs place, so I am writing it under 10 lakhs. 2 is in lakhs place, so I am writing it under lakhs. 6 is in 10,000s place, so I am writing it under 10,000. And 4 is in thousands place, so I am writing it under thousands place. 2 under the hundreds place, 5 under tens place, and 0 in ones place. So what I have done? I have composed the large number according to its places. Compose means putting together the number according to the places. Putting together the number according to the places. Next let us do the resum. 4, 7, 9, 1, 1, 7, 2. So 4 is in 10 lakhs place. So let us write down 4 in 10 lakhs place. 7 is in lakhs place. So I am writing under lakhs. 9 is in 10,000s place. 1 is in thousands place. The next one is in hundreds place. The next 7 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. So here I have composed the large numbers. Compose means putting together the large number according to their places. Okay children, I have done 2 sums. Remaining 2 sums you do for homework. Okay. I have done AB sums. You do CD sums for homework. Okay children. Now let us move to the practice zone 5. Now let us move to the practice zone 5 in textbook. Practice zone 5 textbook, page number 40. Page number 40. Okay. So what is the question? The question is filling the following blanks with appropriate sign. So what is the next question? The next question is, children, we are doing practice zone 5 in textbook, page number 40. The question is, fill in the following blanks with appropriate sign. So we have to fill the blanks with appropriate sign which are greater, lesser, equal to. So you have to fill the blanks with the symbols greater, lesser, equal to. Okay, let us do the first one. 69 lakhs 30,746. 79 lakhs 12,435. Now you have to compare these two numbers using these symbols. Okay. First let us check whether both the numbers are having same number of digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an 6-digit number. Let us see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both are same. Both the numbers are having same number of digits. So let us compare the numbers from their highest place. Here, in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here in 10 lakhs place, both the numbers, in the 10 lakhs place, this number is having 6 and this number is having 7 in 10 lakhs place. So first we have to check whether both the numbers are having same number of digits Afterwards, we have to compare the number at their highest place. We have to compare the digits at their highest place. Here 10 lakhs is the highest place, and in 10 lakhs place the first number is having 6 and the second number is having 7. You all know that 7 is greater than 6. So you have to put the symbol lesser than. You have to put the symbol lesser than, which shows that the first number is smaller than the second number. Now let us do the B sum. Okay children, here these two numbers are in Indian system. Now these two numbers are given in international system. These two numbers are given in international system. First let us check both the numbers are having same number of digits or not. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also a 7-digit number. These two numbers are having same number of digits. So let us compare these numbers at their highest places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Okay. This number and this number both are in international system. So I am writing the places of international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Okay. Both the numbers are having same number of digits. Now let us compare the number at their highest places. Here in millions place this number is having 6 and this number is also having 6. Since both the numbers are having same numbers in millions place, let us move to the next place, which is 100,000s place. In 100,000s place, this number is having 7 and this number is having 7. Since both the numbers are having same numbers at the 100,000s place, let us move to the next place, which is the 10,000s place. In 10,000s place, this number is having 4 and this number is having 8. So, you all know that 8 is greater than 4. So, the first number is lesser than the second number. In millions place, both the numbers are having same numbers. In 100,000s place, both the numbers are having same digits. And in thousands place, 10,000s place, this number is having 4 and this number is having 8. So 4 is less than 8. So the first number is lesser than the second number. Did you understand children? First you have to check whether both the numbers are having same number of digits or not. Next you have to compare these numbers from their highest place. You have to compare these numbers from their highest place and then you have to place the symbol. Okay children, I have done 2 sums. Remaining 2 sums you do for homework. Okay children, I have done 2 sums. Remaining 2 sums you do for homework. You all have done this from your 3rd class, isn't it? You have compared numbers from your 3rd class, so you can do them on your own. Okay, that is the homework for today. Okay, that's all for today's class. Okay, bye.